Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to draw a 3 alphabet blocks which will look like a 3D blocks. Let's learn it today. Follow my steps and make it very quickly. If you have any feedback, just let me know in the comment. Also let me know which next drawing you want to see from my side on the comment box. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the like button. It is almost done. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.